Okay, so this is going to be, I guess, day one. I'm putting in electrical and everything for this small shed. It's like a little barn style shed. I've got all the electrical stuff right there. It's going to be insulated, and then the inside, it's not mine, I'm doing this for someone else. The inside is going to be the T111 plywood style stuff that's going to be laid sideways so it looks like paneling. And then it's going to have a couple of lights right here, a switch, a set of steps that go up right there. And then there's going to be another light switch somewhere up here or something, so that way when you go up to the loft, you can turn on the light. And then there's going to be also, that's what this is for, I'm going to frame in a catwalk that goes across here, so that way you can go from that loft to this loft without having two sets of stairs or ladders. So right now, I'm getting ready to put a chalk line on all the walls so that way I can start nailing in junction boxes. And she wants them, I guess, about 4 inches off the ground, so that's what I'm gonna do. There we go. I went to move those 2x6s and gave myself a nice splinter. Ouch. Ooh, yeah, she was deep in there. It feels better. All right, got almost all of the outlets installed. I got one switch box over there, but that one's higher because it's going to be a 20 amp circuit for the air conditioning. I still got to drill another hole. I'm going to drill some holes up there. Got to do some outlets in the lofts. I think what else? Oh yeah, I got to put light boxes up there and up here on each side of the door. And then, yeah. Maybe tomorrow I can start the framing process. That'll be cool. I still got to run some conduit through the wall and stuff, and run some wiring. I'll do time lapse of that. My camera keeps on overheating, so I'll try to do what I can. All right, so I've got majority of the electrical completed except for up there. Those are gonna go in after the ceiling is drywalled. You can see I got all the electrical down here pretty much done. I have an outlet or a switch box there, a switch box there. If you notice, that switch box is a little bit higher. I might end up actually lowering that some because that's gonna be the start of the stairs. And you're gonna have one switch that controls the right light over there and one switch that controls the light right above this one. And then over there you have one switch that controls these two lights, and then you have one switch that controls the outside light that's gonna be put in right behind that insulation right there. So I have to put those in after I put the drywall or whatever they choose to go with, because down low they're wanting to do, what's it called? Like kind of like T111, like what's on that addition over there. You see that siding on that addition, that's what they're gonna do on the bottom, but they're gonna run it this way so it looks like wood paneling, and then they're gonna stain it. As for the electrical, you can see here's a dedicated 20 amp outlet for the air conditioner or heater, whatever she wants to run. I put 14.2 for the regular outlets and lights because they don't really, you're not gonna be pulling a whole lot off those. And then I used 12.2 for the 20 amp circuit right here, so that way it can carry a little bit higher amperage. And then for the breakers, you can see the way I did that. Here's the 20 amper for the AC. As you can see, they've got room to expand, obviously, which is always nice. All right, so as you can see, I did not make a mistake. She just wanted the AC up higher, so I had to basically move everything up, and that's where the AC is now gonna sit a little bit higher up. But yeah, I'm gonna continue this, and then I'm gonna repair this, and yeah. Well, me going way too fast and not paying attention to what I'm doing. Yeah, so I gotta fix that. Damn it. I have to pull that whole wire out and rerun it. Good thing it wasn't hooked up there already. Got the insulation all put in. I still got to go through and staple all this on so that way it stays into place. And I got the AC put in. I got it all level and everything. Ready to start the catwalk here, and I'm going to do a time lapse of me doing this. And yeah, so cool. I get started on this. So I've got the catwalk, or whatever you want to call it. I guess it can be considered a catwalk, done. Got the OSB screwed up there. If you look here, this is actually not a mistake. It's not because I put these too low. It's something with these 2x6s are slightly different than the ones that were used by whoever, the Premier, wherever they get their lumber from. They're slightly different size. So you can see they are 2x6s, but they overhang a little bit. So that'll be fine though, because there's gonna be wood over it and it's gonna be covered up. But yeah, so I got these cistered, which strengthen this up a lot, believe it or not. And that's the whole point of this, is to strengthen it up since we got these going. That's basically where I'm at with this. And I don't know if I'll start insulating right now. It's kind of getting late. But yeah, this is how far I've gotten. Hopefully you guys are liking this video. If you want me to keep going with it, just let me know.